Hello. I know we don't need to submit a video alongside this project. I just want to do one real quick just to explain my process and where everything is. Uh, so the first thing I did was make the Visual Studio and C++ code. I just called it hello. So we've got the hello solution here, which just real simple. Opens the file hello.txt, goes through it, prints everything to the console, and then closes the file. Real nice, real simple, that's all we need. Oh, didn't actually mean to delete that yet. But with the Visual Studio stuff, after I wrote the installer script and the hello.txt file, I included it all here. So if you run the program in debug or release of 64 or 32-bit, it runs through and runs the program. Just goes through and reads the file. Real nice, real simple. Waits for any input and then ends it. So, as I mentioned, the installer script and everything is here, but the program exe is not. So, what happens is after you run it, it makes the output directory, and wherever it puts that, it copies the installer script to the output directory as well. So, back at the highest stuff, this was just where I was testing it. So after you run the solution and it copies the stuff, I'll put these side by side, but they're the exact same because it was just copied into the main.cpp file after, or folder after. But all this does is it makes the name of the installer, hello_installer. Also, I noticed that in the Word document, the names of stuff flip-flops. So up here, it's installer script and hello installer, but then in the marking scheme, it's hello installer for both. So yeah, anyways, so we did this in class. We made this installation check function. I just modified it to check if the folder that we're making exists. If it does, then the rest of the program probably exists as well. So we check, do you want to overwrite it? If you do, just run the rest of the program anyways, which overwrites it. So I set the output path to, or in our default section, I call the installation check. If it passes or it doesn't exist, then we make the hello folder on the desktop, set the output path to the install directory, which is just the desktop anyways, into the hello folder, copy the hello.txt and hello.exe files into it, and then write the uninstaller at the install directory level, so it'll be on the desktop. Then when the uninstaller runs, it deletes the uninstaller itself, and then it goes into the folder hello and deletes hello.txt and hello.exe, and then it removes the hello directory. So just to show, so this exe gets copied, but If you want to check, you can always... What is in this one? I guess I forgot to update this. Oh, well, I'm good. Huh. See file credits can be found. Oh, because there's no hello.exe, that's why. But if you go to the output directory, this should compile because there's the hello.exe. Ah, relearning on the job. So just to show that that is making it, delete the hello installer, recompile. There we go. If we run the installer, accept it, created the output folder, desktop hello, extracted hello.txt and hello.exe, and then created the uninstaller. So if we open this up and I run hello.exe, same thing as the Visual Studio, hello world, this is the hello.txt file, any key to close it. So let's change this file. This is for the demo video. So if we run hello.exe again, it's updated. So now if I run the installer again, this time, now we have the check. There's already hello application installed. Do you want to overwrite it? No, I don't. Check in here. Nope, didn't get changed. This time I will accept it and allow it to overwrite it. Installing over the existing hello, creating folder, output folder, extracting. So now hello.txt has been reset. If I run the hello.exe once again, just printing it. And finally, if I run the uninstaller, after a moment, deletes the files, delete the file, deleted installer, hello.txt and hello.exe, and remove the folder from the desktop. And that was all I really wanted to show. Basically, either after you run the Visual Studio solution, go to whatever output directory you made it in, and you can grab the installer from there, or in the NSIS stuff, this all works the same way. And that's all I wanted to make this for. Thank you. Have a good day.